This is the Blue Yeti USB microphone. It's a very popular microphone, and for good reason. It's easy to use, plug and play, no drivers needed, and it sounds great when you use it right. Dear celebrities and anyone else who has a Blue Yeti microphone or is thinking of getting one, please use it right. I've been seeing from the likes of Tom Hanks and Andy Samberg on talk shows that they're speaking into the Blue Yeti from the top. It's not a top address microphone. In fact, let me show you what it sounds like from the top. This will look suggestive, but trust me. Now I'm speaking into the top of the Blue Yeti, and as you could hopefully hear, it doesn't sound as great. In fact, it sounds really crap. If you have it set on the cardioid polar pattern, which should be this icon right here, the only sensitive area of the microphone will be on the side with the blue logo, the mute button, and the volume knob on it. That is considered the front of the microphone. As you could hopefully hear as I move around the microphone to the sides, and then come around to the front, down to the other side, and even around to the back, you'll hear that the front of the microphone sounds the best. So once again, the Blue Yeti is not a top address microphone. You speak into the front of it with the blue logo, the mute button, and the volume knob on it. And make sure the polar pattern is set to cardioid, the one that looks like a butt. I know I'm getting unreasonably angry about this, but I'm tired of seeing it. Use your Blue Yeti properly. Stop mistreating it. I'm warning you.